Hello judges, today I'm going to show you our Veterans Navigation app. It is intended to help veterans that suffer from memory loss, and if they're out and about running errands and stuff and they forget what they're doing or where they are, this app will help them. So we start off by creating a new route. The app tracks your location at all times. The blue marker means that that's your current location. So say we wanted to add a marker at this spot. We can give it a name. Where I am right now is Rowan University. You give it a description, which is our school. And you can add a picture so that the veterans can look at it and know that this is where they're supposed to be. Okay, so now the blue marker has turned red, which means that the marker can be clicked and a pop-up will show up saying the name of where you are, the description, and the picture, which can be clicked on and made larger. There's also a microphone button which will say how far away you are from this location. This is currently where we are, so we'll say that we're here.
You are at this location.
Okay, now since this is an emulator, I have to manually add another location. So it will track your location at all times, but since this is an emulator, it won't do that, so I have to manually add it, and it will jump to that location, which is just down the road from the first marker that I placed. There it is. So there's the first marker, the red one. The blue marker is now our current location. If you click on it, it just gives you the current lat long of where you are. So if we wanted to add a marker at this place, this is Glassboro. Description is where Rowan is. Again, take a picture. This is just an emulated camera, that's why it looks like this. Take the picture. You got OK. Now the blue marker is gone because the red marker is placed on top of it because it's your current location. So you click on this, there's Glassboro, description is where Rowan is, click on the picture again, make it larger.
You are at this location.
That we're here. And then if we click on the other marker and ask where we are, it'll tell us that we are a certain distance away. If you are under a mile away, it'll tell you that you're under a mile. Otherwise, it'll give you the correct distance of where you are.
You are less than 1 mile away from Rowan University.
So now, say they wanted to use this map a couple days from now. You can save the map. You can give it a file name. We'll just call it Rowan. So it tells you that Rowan was saved. You can reset the map. It asks you if you want to clear all of the markers. Yes, and then it brings back the current location marker. And then you can now load a map. There's only one to load. You can load up to save up to 10 maps. Load that one, and there it is. Bring the pop-ups. Everything's saved. Here's the other one. Now let's just say you kill the application. The maps will still be saved. It's all saved locally. So if you wanted to run the app again, instead of creating a new one, you can also load one straight from this. So we'll load Rowan. Zoom out, and there they are. So you'll notice that, like I said before, the blue marker is gone. Once you change your location, it'll automatically reappear. That's why you can't see it here. You can also zoom in and zoom out from here in case they don't like clicking and dragging like that. The biggest problem that we had with this app was actually not navigation related at all. It was a problem with the camera intent. So let's say I'm going to add a marker. This camera UI was made by us customly because with Lollipop OS there's a bug which when you start a camera intent it'll kill your activity and there's no way of saving that activity. And that's the biggest problem that we encountered with this. So we had to customly make our own camera basically. If you decide that you don't want to add this marker, it won't let you press OK. It'll tell you that you need to enter for each one a name, a description, and take a picture. But you can click the back button and it won't add anything to the map. So that's basically it. Thanks.